Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me I have Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how to screencast to TV. So this is very easy. You have to connect your mobile phone and also your TV to the same Wi-Fi networks. And then after this you want to open Quick Settings by swiping down from the top part of your phone screen. And now let's do that one more time to expand all Quick Settings panel. And then you have to look for a label, for icon, mini icon that looks like this, just like big screen. So let's tap here, cast screen to device. Let's press settings button. This will redirect you to settings, and then list of nearby devices will pop up. All you're gonna do is tap on the name of your TV and your phone will instantly cast its screen on the big screen on your TV. So that's basically it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.